Flatbed printing has never been easier. Everyday tasks related to printing shouldn't be time-consuming or cumbersome. HP has revolutionized flatbed printing by automating the media setup process so that you can focus on actual printing. So join me as I show you a few tips and tricks on how to go through and add medias on your HP R-Series printer. All right, so now I'm going to take you through a couple of the easy steps for media setup, media cloning, and even media calibration. In order to do that and to see better, I'm going to have you join me closer to the screen. Okay, so now that you can see the screen closer, let's take a moment to talk about how to set up everyday common medias on the HP R1000. HP is an online media database called the HP Media Locator. This database contains hundreds of media setups that were certified by HP. Many of the medias even include a base color profile to get you started. So let's get started. On the bottom of your screen here, you'll notice that there's some icons on the bottom. And the one we want to choose in order to get to the media locator is Substrate Library. And from here, you're going to notice some categories on the left. These are all your current downloaded media profiles based on your application or substrate type. So in order to get to the web page or web browser, you go to the icon that says Online Search, and then it's going to ask you if you'd like to access the media locator, in which we will. This will take you right to the HP Media Locator, where we're going to be able to find all sorts of profiles that were built by HP. So we're going to select our printer type, which is the HP Latex printer. And then to make things easier, what I like to do is go over to the filter side here, click on that. I'm going to pick my printer model, which today is the R1000 Plus, and hit apply. So this is automatically going to take me to all the materials that were profiled for this particular printer to help make things a little bit easier. So today, what we're going to do is I'm going to choose the HP Permanent Gloss Adhesive Vinyl, and then I can go and look just to make sure that it is in fact the printer model and everything, and then from here I'm going to click the Download Media Preset button. Here it's going to ask you to select the printer model again for you, which then you would click the HP R1000, and then we'd simply just click Download Media Preset. So what this is going to do is this is going to add the substrate to my downloads here, and I'll show you what will happen next. So we're going to go ahead and name this HP Permanent Gloss Adhesive Vinyl 2, and then I'm going to hit save. So from here, what's happening in the background is it's going to download the media profile, and then once that's done, we'll come back and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so to implement a new media type, I've now downloaded this to the database on my computer, and I'm going to bring it into my substrate category. So I'm going to go to my icon Substrate Library, and I'm going to go to Import Substrate. And then from here, I already have my downloads picked out on my downloads folder. So right here is my material. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then hit select to download the media to the media presets. Okay, so now that my media profile has downloaded, I'm going to go to the category that I downloaded it to, which is self-adhesive vinyl. And there I'll be able to find the material I downloaded, which is the HP Permanent Gloss Adhesive Vinyl. So from here, I have my profile downloaded, but that's not it. I could actually make some more adjustments here. So what I could do is simply either duplicate or clone the media by clicking the three dots and clicking duplicate. And I could just name this HP Gloss SAV Clone and hit clone. So this will take a few moments to clone. And once that's done, we'll jump back into what the options are. Okay, so now that my media preset is cloned, what I can do from here is make common adjustments, which include temperature, overcoat, scratch resistance, optimizer. If I'm laminating, I can even turn the overcoat off. So what I can do here is click on this media type, and I have all these different options here with the different pass counts, and I can go here and edit any of these types of things. And this is how I can get to changing the temperature, changing ink density, maybe adding a little bit more optimizer or taking a little bit away. And then also I can turn overcoat levels up or down. So HP made it really simple for you to be able to do these things in line on the computer right here at your printer, which is super helpful and very time convenient for a print shop operator. Okay, so another nice thing you can do here is, say you've had this media preset in here for quite a long time and you want to recalibrate. Maybe you put some new print heads in, change some inks, and it's been a long time since you calibrated. So once you have the media loaded in, which today is the HP gloss adhesive vinyl, I can go calibrate it. So you can calibrate your media for density and white point through the inline calibration tool on the printer itself. And in order to do that, I just simply go to calibrate and the printer does its thing. Once you make the adjustments, go ahead and load the media using the automated thickness, width, and position sensors. If your media size and thickness is consistent, feel free to turn this automation off after measuring the first sheet. This will save time when loading. As you can see, HP automation will help even the novice operators get up to speed in little time. In addition to media setup, HP also includes automation around printer maintenance. This automation reduces the time spent cleaning the printer so that you can get up and running in no time. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, you can comment below, or you can give us a call at IT Supplies. And don't forget to like and subscribe to catch future videos that we might release. Well, thanks for joining me and have a great day.